The gardening season here in Utah is coming to an end. There was one pepper that really stood out and earned its place as a staple in our kitchen. My wife has absolutely spoiled me this year with food. Between the tacos, the taco soup, the enchiladas, the quesadillas, she completely expanded my view of food. She did so in part by using this one pepper. She honestly reminds me a lot of Remy in Ratatouille when he's feeding Emile the grape and the cheese to show him how well different types of foods work together. This is just my life now. She won't stop feeding me awesome food. This magical pepper that she's been using all summer, it's called the Pimento de Padrone. This is a thin-skinned pepper from northeastern Spain that ripens to a beautiful red color, but it's best used when it's green. If you're growing these and you want to save the seeds from them, definitely wait until they're red so the seeds are more viable. These peppers come in between 500 and 2500 Scoville heat units, but don't let them fool you. They're also known as the Russian roulette pepper, and that's because 1 out of every 10 of these peppers will bring some serious heat. The number one way that these peppers are traditionally prepared is you just simply roast them in some olive oil and add some salt. You don't want to add any other seasonings, you just want to let the natural flavoring shine through. Once they're roasted, the skins will blister up, they'll turn super soft and easy to bite through, and the flesh will turn nice and tender. These are literally just served in a heaping pile, just like this. These are really soft, skins are nice and blistered. I can tell you right now, the smell of these is just this, they're sweet and they're really nutty. I know that sounds a little funny, but they are nutty. Let's go ahead and try one. It reminds me a lot of the hatch chilies that you would get at Harmon's and places like that. Seriously, so good. I can't tell you guys enough. Like I said, most of these, you're sitting at 500 to 2500 Scoville heat units. I could sit here and snack on these all day long. If you guys enjoyed the Pimento de Padrone, check out this video here. It's gonna be a good one.